Hello friends, welcome back. Now it's time to learn about human nervous system, also called neural system. The human nervous system is the most advanced type of nervous system in the entire animal kingdom, and it is suitably therefore divided into three divisions which already we have studied in the lower standard. The first division is the main, which is called central nervous system or CNS, which is composed of brain, also called encephalon, and spinal cord, that is myelin. The second division is peripheral nervous system or PNS. So it includes all the nerves which arise from brain and spinal cord. The nerves arising from brain are called cranial nerves, and the nerves arising from spinal cord is called spinal nerves. And the third system, which is slightly independent to the CNS, is called autonomous nervous system or PNS. It includes two systems, sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So this is the chart which summarizes the human nervous system. Hello friends, now let's understand about central nervous system. So central nervous system is basically made up of a neural tube which is present in mid-dorsal, the back region. It is hollow and it is single, and it is derived from the embryonic ectoderm. So when the baby is developing, उस समय it is developed from the ectoderm layer. So this neural tube finally is distinguished into two main prominent regions. The first is brain and second is spinal cord. The brain is also called encephalon. Why? Because it is present inside the cranial cavity of the head region and is the anterior enlarged bulge region of the neural tube. तो न्यूरल ट्यूब जो तैयार होता है उसका आगे वाला हिस्सा जो हेड रीजन में होता है वो बल्ज होके ब्रेन में डेवलप हो जाता है. फिर ब्रेन का जो एक्सटेंशन है दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड माइलॉन. तो इट इज अ पोस्टीरियर एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द न्यूरल ट्यूब, और इसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए क्या है, बैकबोन. तो बैकबोन के अंदर हॉलो कैविटी, उसको न्यूरल कैविटी कहते हैं, उसी न्यूरल कैविटी के थ्रू स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पास होता है. तो डायग्रामेटिक देखेंगे तो दिस इज द ब्रेन. तो ब्रेन हैज थ्री रीजन, फोर ब्रेन, मिड ब्रेन एंड हैंड ब्रेन, एंड उसका एक्सटेंशन जो है उसको कहते हैं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. टुगेदर इट फॉर्म्स द न्यूरल ट्यूब. फ्रेंड्स, बोथ ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आर वेरी डेलिकेट एंड वाइटल. इंजुरी कैन कॉज डेथ और सीवियर डिसेबिलिटी or paralysis. So it is protected by three layered connective tissue layer called membranes, called meninges or collectively called meninges. तो तीन लेयर से ये कनेक्टेड रहता है, एंड नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम meninges के बारे में स्टडी करने वाले हैं. बाय. Hello friends, last time I told you that brain and spinal cord are vital and delicate organ. Although they are protected by the bony case, that is the brain is protected inside cranium and spinal cord is protected inside vertebra. In addition to it, they are protected by three additional membranous layers. The outermost, that is inner to the bone, is called dura mater, which is tough, thick, fibrous and protects from shock and injury. Below dura mater there is a web-like membrane, thin web-like membrane, spongy, which is called arachnoid because it is just like spider web. Arachna means spider web. And the innermost layer which is in contact with the brain and spinal cord is called pia mater, which is very thin, and it is the only layer which is richly supplied with the blood vessel. So it is vascular, and through this pia mater the nutrients, waste, oxygen, carbon dioxide are exchanged between blood and the brain, via nervous tissue. Now in addition, these three layers are separated by gaps, and this gap or space, special material is present. So between bone and dura mater the space is called epidural space, which is filled with adipose tissue, which gives an additional padding. क्योंकि adipose क्या है, फैट लेयर है, इंसुलेशन भी करता है, पैडिंग देता है. Then between dura mater and arachnoid means below dura mater, उसको subdural, सब मतलब below, उसमें जेली लाइक फ्लूइड होता है जो प्रोटेक्शन देता है, फ्रिक्शन को प्रिवेंट करता है. लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट स्पेस इज बिटवीन बी एंड सी, दैट इज arachnoid. Below arachnoid layer and pia mater is the subarachnoid space which is filled with CSF. So CSF has a number of role in the nervous tissue. Now In addition, you can see the brain has the outer layer which is gray and inner layer is a white metal. But in case of spinal cord, the outer layer is white and inner layer is what? Gray. The inner surface of the brain and spinal cord is lined by special cells called एपेंडिमल cells और यही cells जो है CSF तैयार करते हैं. तो ब्रेन का जो इनर स्पेस है उसको कहते हैं वेंट्रिकल एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का इनर स्पेस को कहते हैं सेंट्रल कैनाल जिसमें होता है CSF. Hello students, welcome back. Now this is the note regarding the meninges, which are the three protective layer around brain and spinal cord. So in this note you can see definitions given, the type, their structure and the corresponding what function. Now let's see about CSF. So CSF is a clear fluid, slightly alkaline fluid present in the subarachnoid space, arachnoid membrane और pyometer के बीच में. About how much? 100 to 120 cc is present inside and around CSF और उसका स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी 1.005 है. उसको तैयार कौन करता है? एपेंडिमल सेल्स, कोरॉइड प्लेक्सस और पायोमीटर. एंड नंबर ऑफ फंक्शन जो है CSF इज परफॉर्मिंग. इट प्रोटेक्ट द ब्रेन फ्रॉम शॉक, प्रिवेंट्स फ्रिक्शन, मेंटेन्स प्रेशर, हेल्प्स इन रिमूवल ऑफ वेस्ट, प्रोवाइड्स न्यूरिशमेंट, ऑक्सीजन, डेसिकेशन प्रिवेंट करता है, रिजर्वायर है वाटर का और ब्लड ब्रेन बैरियर